So you're at that point in your business where you need to start charging corporate tax. Hi, my name is Nadernejad, and if you're looking for business tips, tricks, and advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel or watch some of our other content. Head on over to the channel about online reputation management, which you can find in the description down below, and we can help you and your corporation shine in the web and acquire more clients. But one thing I'm going to help you do today is just give you a little tip, because I noticed there aren't many videos about this topic online, and it's a little bit confusing. Once you surpass the $30,000 income threshold, what you need to do is start charging HST in Canada. And that goes for any province, wherever you are. And HST is the tax, which is a combination of federal tax and provincial tax, creating the HST tax. And whenever you're charging for any product or service, you must make sure that you are charging this tax, because the CRA is going to ask for it. You need to collect this. This is government taxable money. So how do we do this? Well, I'm going to explain it to you step by step, because there's a lot of questions. So treat this video like an FAQ. So if you need to charge HST and you're wondering, how much HST do I charge? There is a calculator on the government website, and I'm going to link that down below. And you can go by every single province and see exactly what the HST is. Now, you may be wondering, do I charge people HST based on my province? And the answer is no. You charge people HST based on their province in which they are residing or purchasing in. If you're charging a corporation, you will charge them their tax for the province in which the corporation is headquartered. So for example, if I'm charging Nova Scotia, I will charge 15%, because the PST and the federal tax combined is 15%. Now, if I'm charging a province that doesn't have the same rate, perhaps they only have a federal tax, then I will charge them the federal tax rate. And this is going to be the same province by province. So your question may be, how am I going to get my HST number? Do I need to hire a lawyer? And many people, especially smaller lawyers, will try to convince you that you need to, but you don't. All you have to do is call the government. You don't need a consultation. Just look up the CRA's phone number, and even do a Google search right now. I'll link it down below, but get an HST number. Do not try to do it online. That is the first biggest mistake. These people are happy to speak with you, answer questions live on the phone, and just be transparent and honest, and it'll be very easy to set up a number. So I would call that number, I would set up your HST number, and once you have that number, I would save it. Keep it in a safe place. Now, to answer some other questions, do you need to charge HST to a US client or a client in another country? The answer is, again, no, you don't have to. You need to only charge Canadian clients. And the reason for that is we call clients in other countries tax exempt. So you'll only be charging HST here in Canada. Another question I often get is, how do I get HST? How do I actually charge the tax? Well, on every invoice that you're sending to clients, and you need to keep invoices for tax reasons, but every invoice that you're sending to clients, you want to include your HST number. And you also want to set up a CRA My Account. There are a lot of companies who did not set this up, did not set up their HST number with a CRA and register, and they couldn't get into the account. So you want to do that as soon as possible. Ask the CRA for details. Ask the Canada Revenue Agency for details. And that's really going to help you. In terms of charging the HST, you would just use a tax calculator for the province that you're charging in. You would use a tax calculator for the province in which the person you are charging resides in, and then you would put that on your invoice. So you would put HST, a breakdown of the HST, exactly what it totals, and then you would add that to the billing cost. And you would need to charge that only for your Canadian clients. So again, that's simply what it is, how you charge it, when you need to charge it, how to get an HST number, and how to include it on your invoices. And that you don't need a lawyer, you can do this yourself. It is super ultra simple. It's even more simple than actually registering your business. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to send them to me. Comment section is the best place to reach me for that. Anything outside of comments on the video, business inquiries, off platform, send me an email or reach me on another platform. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure to subscribe, smash your notification bell, and thank you for watching.